All right, guys, welcome back to Cookie's Crib. I'm Cookie. You can't see me, but I'm back here. We're gonna make this video, but this is just a beautiful way to start a video today right here. You can't say nothing about TruGreen today because they're making things look good. As you can see, they did come out and do my retreat that we talked about in last week's video. Guy come out, and the area that I normally walk and give you a split screen, he literally soaked the area down. So I can guarantee you, here in probably another week or so, I'm not going to have weeds one there, because this whole area was soaked, drenched. It was wet like it rained. I was proud of him for doing what he did. He was a little upset though. He couldn't figure out why he was here, because he thought the yard looked really good. Well, it did, and it does, but there are areas that he didn't know the guy didn't treat. I said, so I'll tell you what, give him one of my Cookie's Cribs card. I said, why don't you get in your truck and watch one of these videos I just did, and you'll see the drone footage that he did not do the whole yard, but in the previous time he did do the whole yard. So I think he got in his truck and he checked it out, but the man did really good. I appreciate him. He's real nice about everything. I don't think he was too happy about having to come do this yard, so the other guy needs to get off his ass and do his job all the way. But you know, I normally post comments, and I might post a few more. I had one guy, he was taken up for the guy and him not treating my whole yard. He said, well, he might have been tired and dragging that hose all the way around. I'll post that comment here, right here it is. But you'll see he's taken up for it, and I'm like, you didn't watch the whole damn video, did you? Because you didn't get to see wherever he didn't treat to where he knew he was supposed to treat, because I put a split screen up. So you can tell when people work for TruGreen, because they're taken up for them. I work 12-hour days when I work, and I work a lot. So don't give me no pity because you take a job you can't handle. Just do your damn job. Just remember, if it ain't a blade of grass, it's a freaking weed. But today's not going to be a bitch session. It's really good. I'm going to even see if I can find a bunch of good comments to keep posting through this video. I mean, check it out. It looks really good. Just about all of my violets are dying out. Just a weed here and there, nothing to really bitch about, and I'm pretty good at bitching. The guy told me, he said, buddy, you're going to have weeds pop up here and there. And I said, yeah, I understand that, but you've got to watch the first video to see that I did not have a square acre of yard without a weed in it. He said, well, you're going to have weeds pop up. I said, dude, 5 years. He didn't say nothing after that. But you know, if they would treat your yard during the downtime, or in February start upping what they do, then we probably wouldn't have the trouble we have every year. And I don't like calling them out and making them do all this stuff for free every single time, but if we have to, if they want to keep doing it, I'll keep getting them. But I don't know, this might be my last year. I'm thinking about going to do my own stuff, and we'll go from there. I think I could do it. I just don't want to do it. It keeps someone a job, keeps the economy going, especially with this virus stuff going around. We need people working. We don't need people sitting on their ass. But you can see this yard is still pretty and plush. Hear all the dogs and the children barking. It's a beautiful day in my neighborhood in Cookie's crib. You can see we got our deck job done. It's looking good. He's getting a pool built in the back of the house, so won't be long. I'm gonna have a place to splash down. I mean, I don't care if they're there or not. I can jump a fence, but I don't think I will. But as you can see, everything's looking good. I think we're going to call this video done. Not much to say for the rest of the video, but I appreciate you joining in and checking out the progress of my yard. You know, please leave me a comment. Some people don't like the fact that I post their comments, but if you post on a public forum, that gives me the right to copy and paste, buddy. But maybe it don't. I don't know. Nobody's told me, but leave it in the comments if I'm not supposed to do something like that. But leave a comment, subscribe. I'm trying to be the next YouTube millionaire. But as for right now, this is Cookie for Cookie's Crib, calling it a night. Peace.